guys, so today I wanted to review the Amos 4D eyeball gummies. I really like these gummies, guys. They're very unique compared to other types of Halloween candy. I really like them. They're gummies shaped like eyeballs and they look so realistic. They have different flavors. I believe they have like 4 different flavors, which I love, but I'm gonna show you how the packaging looks like. These are the different flavors. We have the blue ones, we have the red ones, we have the orange ones. They're so unique, guys. Me and my sister, we actually made some cupcakes and we put the eyeballs as decorations on top. I'm actually gonna leave like a little picture here so you can kind of see it. They look so cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and open one so you can see the packaging from the inside. They are delicious. They are super squishy. As you can see, they look so strange and they are perfect for Halloween. So if you want them for like the little kids that go to your house for trick-or-treating, or if you just want them to decorate like your little pastries or whatever it is that you want to decorate, they look amazing. But these are the Amos 4D eyeball gummies. I would definitely recommend them for all the Halloween people out there. It is my favorite holiday of the season, if you can call it a holiday. I do, because it's my favorite. I love scary movies. But anyways, guys, I would definitely recommend these eyeball candies for your next Halloween treats.